So this is how you can fix Instagram account options not working. Let's go on ahead and open Instagram so I can show you my options. Let's tap on the three lines at the top right, and as you can see, I have all of these settings and options that I can choose from. I could even go to Account Center and configure my account over here. Basically, I have access to my account in every possible way. If you can't do this for some reason, you can go on ahead and just exit and then go back to the App Store and search for Instagram. Make sure that you are up to date. As you can see, tap on update and it's going to start updating your Instagram app. And once it's done updating, it should work for you. If it doesn't, you could always just delete the app and then go on ahead and reinstall it back. Once you do, log in and everything will be new and everything will restart. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and let us know in the comments down below if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.